Hi, I'm Chris Ossen, and I lead our product management group here at Garlock.
And my name is Matt Tones. I'm a senior application engineer here at Garlock.
Today we're here to talk about a market that we're seeing a significant amount of growth in, and that's data centers. And we want to specifically talk about potential problems that could be seen with data center cooling systems.
Yeah, so a lot of the systems that are being put into these new data centers are either stainless steel or high density polyethylene, or HDPE. Now with stainless steel systems, the biggest issue we're seeing is low strength fasteners or low strength bolts being used in the flange assemblies, which limits how much stress you can develop on the gaskets. When HDPE piping systems are concerned, there's actually a technical note that's out in the internet called the TN-38. And this note is actually written by the plastic pipe manufacturers. And within that document is installation instructions and torque values. And the torque values they publish generate about 1,200 to 1,800 psi stress on the gaskets. That's actually too much for rubber, but it's not quite enough for traditional fiber gaskets. So when you take that one step further and look at the flange adapter, which is the part that's on the end of the piping system that's compressed into place with the steel backer flange, that flange adapter introduces quite a bit of relaxation to the system. So you need a gasket that not only seals at low stresses, but also is able to counteract any kind of load loss that occurs in the assemblies. So when it comes to cooling systems in general, really the name of the game is not only creating that initial seal when the facility is being built, but also maintaining the seal long term and making it reliable.
Does Garlock have a solution that can maintain that long-term seal?
Yeah, we actually have quite a few low-load sealing solutions that work very well in systems like these. One in particular is called the MULTI-SWELL 3760. And MULTI-SWELL 3760 is a compressed fiber gasket, but it's twice as compressible as traditional fiber gaskets. And it also is designed to absorb a small amount of water at the ID of the gasket to swell up in a controlled swelling condition and create a better seal, a tighter seal long term. So it actually helps offset any relaxation in things like flange adapters in the systems. Also, the MULTI-SWELL has been used extensively by utility companies across the United States and Canada for quite a few years with great success. And the product is used extensively in cooling systems where you're dealing specifically with glycol type cooling systems.
Great. Thanks for your input today, Matt.
Absolutely.